idiot.
What's up, AC gang? Your boy Capo is back with another prank. As you can see by the title, about to do the password prank on girlfriend. So guys, Abbi just called and said she on her way and she come meet her at the bus stop. But you know, we have a different plan, a different idea. I tell her someone feel 200, so you know she'll go find her way home by herself. So guys, in the meantime, think about this idea, so I'm gonna do the password prank on her. So guys, when she come in, I'm gonna try and pass out and see how she'll gonna react. I'll be really crazy. So I know how she gonna do, how she gonna really handle the situation. So I'm gonna see if I really pass out, if Abbi be the right person to do that with my faint. I wanna know, I'm curious. So guys, put in the comment section with Team Capo. Hit the like button, follow us on all our social medias, guys. And make sure you guys subscribe to our comedy channel, subscribe to this channel, and please turn on your post notifications. Alright, subscribe to Comedy TV, and let's get right into this video.
Capo, why your mama come up by myself? I'm tell you something further than a madman.
You know, I got an umbrella, I'm going to open an umbrella.
No, no, bring an umbrella. And the sun I can't know it then.
I'm going to come back with some tea with everybody.
But you which day, you met me and me go up and road along. Mama, shit. I said, bombard, hey, me in a taxi, I come up and the shit I call. So me have to, you know, and then one time them say when you really want shit, just step on your big toe. So, and I want to me in a taxi, I step on big toe. And like the people on my side. And the people on my side. I told you. The people on my side, me I want them to
People laugh with
them up. That's how much shit.
One of them
So I can't have a mixed tea for a man and I take you. So why not say that?
Oh, I'm a tea for me.
What kind of tea? What kind of? Ah, I want a shit, Capo.
Come here, the bush here, please.
What am I going to get from in the kitchen?
In the kitchen, or let's go to the go pick some of these bush.
I want a shit. These, what the fuck name these bush?
I mean, I want these bush.
What name these bush? A bush full of bees?
So, she want these bush. You know what I'm doing?
Not like this.
No.
What?
Head man.
So go on sit down and go on sit down, yes sir. I'm going up. Eat it, Capo! Yeah, blood clot. Capo! Capo! I'm up here. Capo! Blood clot. Capo! Yeah, blood clot. Capo! Blood clot. Capo! Oh my god, oh my god. Capo! People, idiot, you don't say idiot, but why are you so much close to idiot? People, people, oh shit. Capo! Oi! Oi! Ah! Capo, mo shit, stop na! Capo! Oi! 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 Capo! Yes, guys. Oh shit. Capo! Capo! Oi! up, blood clot, yeah. Wake up, blood clot, yeah.
Wake up, blood clot, yeah.
Idiot! Let's see your camera. Yeah, idiot, you think you can prank team, Abby? I want to go back for that again. I was saying, Jesus Christ, I don't stop me about what you read, say. When I do something out, and you want to see me put wet club, right? You're fine.
Guys, no sir, I'm letting down.
Guys, I'm telling the trio, Abbi always come back on the planet. I want to eat a Capo, but they want to try to prank me. I can't add camera. I put it up on the camera and said, this guy. I'm so weird. Man, not the Capo, weird.
Yo, no, it's there.
Guys.
Guys, I forgot to redeem myself. See, no one that gonna work. But you see the camera. Team Capo same way, people. You know, show me some love and comment some prank idea what we can do. We will find a new audience spot for the camera. So maybe she can't find it at all. You understand? But remember follow me on IG at I'm Cappuccino. I'll be ugly like. We can't be find the camera, sir. I don't show what in my face and now I feel like I'm really sick now.
Team Abbi all day, every day. Why you nearly catch me, you know? Oh my shit, Capo, I'm a shit on myself.
You want shit?
Yeah.
People, I'm going to really redeem myself with that bad prank, man. Wait, watch how I go on. Watch what I go on. Anyways, people, see you in the next video.